Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into work groups in Bitrix24, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. If you are using Bitrix24, you are probably looking for ways to streamline your team's collaboration and make your projects run more smoothly. Where in this video, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools, that is Bitrix24 work groups. And by the end, you will know how exactly what work groups are, why they matter, and how they can help your team get organized and stay connected. So, grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So, in this session, we will see first what is work groups in Bitrix 24. So, what exactly is work group is? In simple terms, a work group in Bitrix 24 is a digital workspace where your team can collaborate on projects, tasks, and important activities. Think of it as a virtual project room where all communications, planning, and files related to the specific task or projects live in one place. No more scattered emails, lost documents, or messy chats. A work group is like your team's home base. You can bring everyone together to work on something specific, whether it is a marketing campaign, product launch, or even just a regular team project. And the best part, you can customize it based on your team's need. Whether you need a public or private space, you have all the complete control. Now, you might be wondering why work groups so important. Well, here is the thing. Every team member needs a way to stay organized, keep tracks of tasks, and communicate effectively. That is where work groups really shine. They are designed to make teamwork easier, clearer, and more efficient. Here is why workgroups matter. They bring everything you need for a project into one central location. You can share files, assign tasks, track progress, and even discuss ideas, all without having to switch between multiple tools. It's about having a single workspace that keeps everyone on the same page. Now we'll see the key benefits of work groups. So, what exactly are the key benefits of using work groups in Witness 24? Now, let's break down. First, there is a improved communication. With work groups, team members can post, updates, share ideas, and comments on the task. It's a lot more organized than using chains or using email chains or chat apps that get lost in the shuffle. Next, that is a task management. Task management is a huge win. Inside a work group, you can create tasks, assign them to the team members, and track progress with deadline and status update. No more wondering what's on someone's plate. Everything is there. And of course, file sharing. You can upload important document presentations as spreadsheet directly into the workgroup, making sure everyone has access to the latest version. Plus, you can organize files into folders so you don't want to waste time searching for what you need. Let's look a couple of real world scenarios when work groups come in handy. Imagine you are working on any work group in which, let's say, a 55, you create a work group where your marketing, design, and development team all collaborate. You share a design file, set marketing tasks, track progress, and keep all the communication in the same place. Everyone knows what's expected of them and they can easily update each other as they go. Or let's say your company is rolling out of a new internal initiative, you can set up a work group for a team responsible for implementation, keeping everything organized from the planning stage all the way through a completion task. Task deadlines, files, everything is tracked and your team is on the same page. So to wrap up things, workgroup in Bitrix 24 are incredible tool for improving team collaboration and organization. They provide a centralized space where teams can communicate, management tasks, share files, and track progress all in one place. Whether you are working on a simple project or a complex multi team initiative, or work groups can help keep things running smoothly and efficiently. So that's all. Thank you for tuning in today. Now that you know what work groups are and how they can benefit your team, I encourage you to try them out in Bitrix24. Trust me, you will wonder how you even managed without them. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive deeper into how to set up your team, your very own work group in Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next. Thank you.